Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Gok.
Steve ukuhamba njani nathi?
Nandi member.
Mnandi.
Yes, sure.
Ngicela ukuxolisa amafans wethu.
Why?
Last thing ngithi asikho mnandanga, asikho ready.
Uthe you're not ready for Sundowns.
Steve.
Yeah?
Ngathi ngikho ready kuma-fans. But ngimi ngiwani ngekho ready.
Yes.
Amajita ba ready bonke.
Abe ba ready for that.
uRivero if ufuna kuthengisa ifan hayi.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ngonceda abanye lapha ya natural.
I know it should go. It should go.
Abanye bathola isiphathu Steve, bathola 2-1, bathola 2-0.
Just pay
2-0. Esha skisi Steve.
Ziyakhala.
Athilungisa kancane Steve. Sebusuku Steve athilungisa
Okay. Phula njalo.
Singenela kule game Steve esidlala for 3-1.
Sharp.
Ne. Santana ingene idlala for 3-3.
Sharp.
I don't know ukuthi bazama kenzani Santana because they saw ukuthi thina size nga 3 ama defender.
Sure.
I mean khuluma ngama center back with 3.
Yeah.
As a Santana coach, you should ingqondo kumele ikushaya ngalalarm ukuthi this guys beze ngeplan, you know.
Sharp.
Because Santana they came to this game trying to play football.
Yeah.
But Mkwena was off.
Yes.
Ribeiro for me was off.
Yes.
Mdiba was off on the left side.
Yeah.
They didn't do much, you know.
Nothing.
Besides the chance of Shai Pal, I mean, I didn't see any other chances.
Nah.
Yes, playing the football, the ball, they can, you know. But then I just come get a play it, you know.
Yeah.
To say, okay, guys, says good sivas or push up on Kepambil.
Yes.
But she won't 1 or 2 lay move.
Yeah.
Then Spabam being account.
Sure.
My game, my colleagues on getting a puta up, Steve.
Yes.
So coming to second half of Steve, when you coach Cardoso.
Yeah.
You know, ugafuna kufaka umrenda ne for umkhulise then umkhulisa core goal.
Yeah.
Ambusela umkhulise.
Sharp.
For me, question ukuthi why don't you trust cause? Why do you have to put down a center back, you know?
Yes.
Faka umkhiphe umfake lo mfana adlala center back if you sure ukuthi wanna defend the title. You know? So but otherwise game was simple. Pirates icede kudala game, you know. They played very well. They played according to their strength, even though I didn't like how they played because sidlali ngama pitches most of the time. Too deep. We're playing too deep. Smoothly second half.
Yeah.
I thought maybe coach will introduce the likes of Mabasa.
Yeah.
The likes of Nkota at the same time, you know.
Sure.
To go to a pushy game. I think 3 goals we were supposed to score there. You know? Today. 4 or 5 umile shy Steve. But we go back Steve, we focus again to our next game, you know.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kumajita ukuthi badlale kamnandi. We happy Steve, we still am Mr. happy, siphume sonke happy, you know.
Yeah.
And interview was simple today. Because she chilled.
Because it's jabli.
You don't have to, you know, usually prepare at you.
Yeah.
Prepare you want to know what to kuluma in.
Yeah.
Today you just flow because of Bonile now mokshelele ground in flow song.
Yeah, straight from the heart. Because hey.
It's happy Steve.
Yeah.
So I'd like to say congratulations to Rivero.
Yeah.
Technical team.
Sure.
And thank you for Santan to honoring the fixture team.
Yeah. Just for the honorary.
Ngivala kanjalo.
Just for the honorary.
Man of the match Steve. I mean, I think uMakhehleni Nombakazi mele bayishare Steve. Makhehleni played very very. Nombatha ngeke ngimkhohle Steve. Umbatha naye plays very well. Really they play very well. I can't name everyone Steve. Bonke bayadlala. But I would like to see Rivero prepare my game.
Yeah.
I prepare my team. I mean, I'm a player suite.
Sure.
You know, the likes of Olpasa, the likes of who's this guy? Rasibocha. You know, Japan. Prepare them. I would like to see Chinchama players. Singabamba matima maning when you know that my players suits are fit.
Rotate.
Because we have a lot of injuries and it's people that we believe in most of the time. You know.
That's true.
yabo. So but otherwise it was a good game, Stibo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngicela uyivala kanjalo
Ufuna ukuyivala, member?
sivale sithi congratulations
Ngisasho ukuthi
Orlando
usaqala.
Pirates. Stibo.
Sewuyiphethe kamnandi ngakhona.
Siyavuka kusasa Stibo. Sobusuku Stibo.
Siyakhala kusasa.
Solala kusasa.
Member, ngibongela i-patience ne and alles.